Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off automatic translation on Roblox. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Are your Roblox chat message being translated automatically and you'd rather to see the original language instead? Or maybe you accidentally enabled the automatic translation feature and now you're looking for a way to turn it off. In that case, you've come to the right place. So in this video, I will show you how to turn off this feature, the automatic translation on your Roblox account. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Roblox. Now you can just go to settings. You can select on the three dots over here, more. Now you can go to settings. From settings, there's an option like security, privacy and content restriction, parental control, subscription, and device preferences. And from here, you can just go to your account info. From your account info, you can just scroll down until you find there is an option language. If your language is English, you can just use on English. And if you want to turn off the automatic translation, you can just select on off in here. You can turn off the automatic translation on your settings in here. And you can also turn off this feature in game on your Roblox, for example. It's very simple, right? So that is how to turn off automatic translation on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!